Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Charge the watch to at least 50% before starting the setup process today. Use the included magnetic charger and align the contacts. Turn on the watch by holding the home key for 2 seconds. Open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone and choose Add New Device to begin. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and permit location access when prompted. Confirm the pairing code shown on both devices to complete the Bluetooth connection securely. Open the Galaxy wearable app to customize your watch settings quickly. Tap Watch Settings in the app to change notifications and sounds. Choose a watch face and adjust complications for quick information at a glance. Set Do Not Disturb schedules and activity reminders directly from the app to avoid interruptions. Customize quick settings order on the watch by dragging icons where you prefer. Sync contacts and calendar under accounts, so calls enable heart rate and sleep tracking for continuous monitoring across days and nights. Grant permissions in the app so the watch can log data to Samsung Health. Use workout detection to track walks, runs, and cycling automatically for accurate distance and calories. Start a manual workout from the exercise app when you need detailed metrics. Update software in settings to keep features and security patches current and stable. Restart the watch after major updates to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.